Hi everyone, today we have another quick little video, and today we have the LaTrax Rally. But this is not a stock LaTrax Rally, it is fully upgraded. So I do have a clear body for this to paint it like a different color, and this is a project I started a long time ago, but I figured I would finish just real quick just to see how everything went together. This is the full carbon chassis conversion. It has the aluminum oil-filled shocks with adjustable collars, full ball bearings. It has the Savox motor, Savox servo upgraded as well. And I believe I put the metal gears in here as well. So fully upgraded, obviously other than the electronics. And even with just the chassis upgrade, it's become significantly faster just by virtue of being lighter. And then the oil-filled shocks work very well and also aid with performance because the car is able to hold grip up much better instead of bouncing around everywhere. And it is also more adjustable, and it's just a really nice looking package now. It steers really well, drives really well, and I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I know not everyone is going to want to spend this much money on a LaTrax Rally, especially the carbon chassis upgrade, because it is quite expensive. It costs almost as much as the car itself. The chassis upgrade, the shocks, the bearings, the upgrades I put on this is actually more money than the car cost on its own. So that is a tough pill to swallow for some people, especially for some of these more entry-level vehicles. But if you do want to go full out, this is what it can look like. My one complaint about the chassis is the new battery strap situation here. It's just one pin, and then you do like that, and you put the battery in here. But it's a really tight fit, and sometimes depending on the battery, I really struggle to get the body pin to go back in here to really secure the battery strap. So that is a little bit frustrating. And then because this is an actual carbon fiber piece and the bottom of it will be kind of scraping on the ground a lot, if it gets scraped up a lot, you will end up damaging the chassis. So I don't know how long it would last. So those are some things to keep in mind. I think this chassis upgrade is mostly for people that will be running this mostly on carpet tracks or indoors. I wouldn't really recommend it for outdoors, just because you will damage the carbon fiber pretty quickly. But all the other upgrades I think are definitely worth it, especially the oil-filled shocks and the ball bearings. Totally worth it to do. I just wanted to make a quick video talking about the truck, the car, just so I have it on video, on record, that I have done this conversion before. I will not be doing a running video of this, unfortunately, because I don't want to damage the chassis, and I do plan on selling this vehicle. So hopefully whoever gets it next will get a pretty awesome LaTrax Rally. So that was a very quick video just for my own record and just for you guys to check out real quick. And I hope you guys enjoyed and have fun with RC.